Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Edmonton, local and long-distance movers near me. Our experienced team can easily take care of dividing different types of boxes to be used, such as small, heavy, large, wardrobe, antiques, etc., and also equipping yourself with other materials that are needed beforehand. These could be tapes, markers, stretching tape, and plastic bags. We also start with rooms that are less used so that you can get the idea for larger ones, donate and do away with things you would never use again, and don't overpack and stress the boxes to prevent ripping out. Many companies restrict themselves over long distances and can only provide services up until some miles, but we specialize in long-distance relocation as well as international shifting. There are restrictions between the states that must be taken into account, but our company prepares you for the same beforehand. Our specialized trucks provide you with enormous space to situate every box securely. Need not worry about the cost, since we always promise reasonableness. It is considerably easier to move locally, as you don't pay much for the mileage and the destination is familiar. We also provide hourly rates so that you don't have to bear the charges for the whole day. There may be some trivial costs of obstacles or apartment staircase luggage bearing, but we are highly transparent about it. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Edmonton moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.